Every kitchen needs nonstick cookware. It makes cooking easier with less oil and fat, and cleanup is a breeze. Our Brilliance Nonstick Cookware has the essential pieces that will make everyday cooking easy. Plus, they look great in any kitchen, inspiring you to cook. Brilliance Nonstick Cookware is made of hard anodized aluminum with a stainless steel bottom. These materials together work to make the pans strong enough to hold up to everyday cooking, heating quickly and evenly so you'll get great results every time. Brilliance works on all stovetops, including induction, and is also oven safe so you can make amazing one-pot meals that start on the stove and finish in the oven. When it comes to nonstick cookware, Brilliance truly outshines the competition. It has an incredible nonstick interior and exterior coating, so it releases food easily and cleans up like a dream. Speaking of cleanup, it can go in the dishwasher. Unlike other colorful pans on the market, Brilliance will continue to look beautiful even after using it every day. This collection has the essential pieces you need to fill your kitchen. The fry pans have flared rims, so food glides easily out of the pans. These are perfect for omelets, pancakes, sides, and meals for smaller families. The saucepans have pour spouts, so you don't get drips all over your stove or counter. And they have these amazing straining lids for pasta, meat sauce, veggies, and more. This means you don't have to get out a colander. Less dishes to clean. The sauté pan and skillet will be your go-tos for one-pot meals. With the sauté pan, you can easily fit 4 pieces of chicken and veggies. The weeknight skillet is your fry pan, skillet, and sauté pan all in one for sauces, soups, and pastas. And the helper handle lets you take them from stovetop to oven. You'll always want to have a good stock pot on hand for big batches of soups, stews, or chilies. I like to make a bunch and freeze some for later. If you're looking for nonstick cookware that's durable, has features to help you cook with confidence, and will withstand everyday use for years to come, Brilliance Nonstick is the cookware for you.